Hello and welcome to Deck Builders Milwaukee, where we talk all things outdoor living. Today we're talking about deck railings and how the right choice keeps your family safe while still looking good. Railings start with safety. Building code sets minimum heights and limits on how far apart balusters can be, so kids can't slip through and falls are less likely. On raised decks, these rules are especially important because a fall from that height can be serious. A solid railing feels firm when you lean on it, and that feeling comes from strong posts, solid connections, and the right hardware tying everything into the deck frame. Material choices come next. Wood railings can match a wood deck, but they need regular painting or staining. Metal railings, like aluminum or steel systems, often give a slimmer profile and can open up views. Composite and PVC railings pair well with composite decking, giving you a coordinated look with less maintenance. Many homeowners who pick a composite surface such as Trex also choose a compatible railing system to keep color and upkeep consistent across the whole deck. Details matter on stairs. Graspable handrails help people feel secure going up and down, especially in wet or icy conditions. Gates at the top of stairs can help keep kids or dogs safely on the deck. Lighting in posts or caps can make nighttime use much safer without having to rely on bright floodlights from the house. One of the biggest mistakes we see is railings that flex or wobble because posts weren't properly anchored. Over time, that movement can loosen connections and make the deck feel less secure. We anchor posts to framing in ways that resist both outward and inward forces, so the railing stays tight even after years of use. If you're planning a new deck or updating an old one, it's worth taking a little extra time to think through railing choices. To talk through options for your home, you can reach our team at 608-292-5514 or visit www.toughdeckbuildersmilwaukee.com. At Tough Deck Builders Milwaukee, we build railings to match the strength of our decks, so your outdoor space feels solid, safe, and ready for everyday use. Thanks for listening to Deck Builders Milwaukee. We'll talk again soon.